gonna miss this. I could have used some WD-40 on that, but I haven't. Hi, welcome to the first moving vlog. That feels weird to say. That feels really weird. I think I've got, how many days? 4 days until I have to be completely packed up. I did start packing some bits over the last few weeks, so I guess I will insert that footage here. This is my first box of stuff for the move. I did this last night. It's a lot of vases and kitchen stuff that I've wrapped up. I saved all of the paper and cardboard boxes from anything I've been given over the last 3 months, and they're really coming in handy. But yeah, it's just a lot of kitchen stuff, and I think kitchen towels at the bottom to cushion the whole thing. These boxes are all going to London. I need to bubble wrap some of it, but I just thought I'd put it to a side. All of this stuff I'm going to offer to my friends and family, but I think anything else will go to charity. There's not much in the sitting room to pack up, so I'll leave that till a bit later. But empty. Only 1 box in there. Okay, that is progress. I have 6 days, 5.5 days to pack up this whole house. It's all starting to feel real. I've also made headway upstairs. Let me show you what I've done. This is all my tax stuff, which I really need to organise properly, but this unit in my hallway was full of craft supplies and is no longer full of craft supplies. I've donated most of them. This unit in my guest bedroom is packed up. But then at the top of my hallway, we have all of this stuff I sorted last night. All of these boxes are going to be given to friends, family, charity. Loads of craft supplies I just can't take with me, and I really would love them to go to a new home, so I'm going to give this away. This stack is coming with me, and then these bits as well. We've made some progress. My friend is taking this and the matching drawers, and I think she's going to paint them, so that'll be really nice. I'm glad they've got a new home. The floor is carnage right now. I started packing up some more stuff. We've got packing supplies everywhere. I'm reusing loads of old boxes that I found lying around. And this is the area where if I get a miscellaneous item that I don't know where it's going to go, I put it in here. So we have paper, we have accessories, travel supplies. This is a box full of electronics and stuff. So I'm gonna sort through all of this and hopefully pack it up really nicely. I have a feeling that the next 6 days are gonna be very stressful, but I prepared for this. I've decluttered a lot up until this point. Everything that is going up to London has a place. I'm not taking too much stuff with me, so I just need to crack on with it now. That is where I stopped yesterday, because every time I try and do proper meaningful packing, I realize that I actually need to access my clothes and my camera equipment. So I'm waiting till tomorrow, because today my friend Vicky is coming to collect all of the furniture that I'm giving her at 3 p.m. and then that should be when things really kick off. I've emptied all the furniture, it's all done, it's ready for her, and I've got rid of all of the stuff that was on the landing. That's gone to charity, so I'm on track. I'm doing okay. I just need to go through all of the rest of the stuff over the next few days. I guess I'll check back in tomorrow when some of the furniture is gone and show you what the house looks like slightly more empty. Then we can really get started on some packing. So my friend's been and the furniture's been taken. I didn't realise what was behind it. I hate this. That's disgusting. Me thinking I have a clean house. Oh my god, gross. All of the skirting boards have yellowed, so I need to repaint those and clean the floor. Disgusting. And this one, I've been looking for this. You're joking. I was looking for jump rings the other, never mind. I need to deal with this. This is empty now though, which is nice. That's gone. So yeah. Oh, and the box bed's gone. It's starting to hit now. Not in a bad way, in a good way. update on the moving process. My friend Vicky came around to help me yesterday and just to keep me company, which was really helpful, but I didn't want to shove a camera in her face. So I've actually managed to get quite a lot done. So I'm going to update you with all of the progress. My office is basically empty, and this is all of the stuff I'm taking from upstairs. Suitcases and boxes are full of clothes. I've got all of my books and loads of decor so I can set up nicely when I get there. I've got a lot of stuff I need as well for work in there, so actually it looks bad, but I'm quite impressed that it's such a small amount of stuff for a whole upstairs of a house. Okay, let's go downstairs. I do not need this light on in the middle of the day. It doesn't look like much has happened in the kitchen, but everything is empty. All of the cupboards, except for a couple of bowls and plates so I can eat. That's empty. This is empty. It's gonna go live at Nan's house. Some of my plants have gone to live in my Nan's conservatory. I'm doing laundry and eating cheesy Wotsits. Ignore that, but we're getting somewhere. This was all gardening stuff. I've just left the lawnmower equipment and the stuff for the washing machine, and I'm just doing a couple more loads of laundry, so we've got some washing stuff in there. My very good boys, I'm gonna take you with me. This doesn't look good, but I promise it's empty. I've done a few charity shop runs, and this is more stuff. I have wrapped all of the breakables in newspaper, and it's all ready to go. And in the sitting room, this is what we're working with. I need to empty the bar cart. All of this is coming with me. It's kitchen stuff, frames and mirrors, home decor, food, and miscellaneous. I panicked a little because I thought that looked like a lot of stuff, including the stuff upstairs, but then I remembered it's all of the stuff from inside the furniture, a lot of it food that I don't want to waste, and the home decor stuff. Kind of need it for this weird YouTube thing that I do. I don't know if you've heard of it. So I think I've done okay, but I would like to condense this a little bit more if I can. That is everything though. Out of all of the drawers, everything's empty. Not a single drawer is left full. This is coming to my childhood bedroom, so it can act like another place for someone to sleep, but I can also work from there when I visit. I'm a little overwhelmed, but it's fine. It's all okay. It's happening to schedule. It's fine. Tomorrow the guys are coming to take a few pieces to my Nan's house to either go into my childhood bedroom, or she wants to keep things like my garden furniture because I can't take them to the flat. The next day they load up the truck with stuff that's going to London, and then the day after that they'll be in London so I can unpack it. So it's all happening very quickly, but I've done a lot of it. Fingers crossed, we're on schedule. My arm hurts. I'm not very good at this vlogging thing. Anyway, I better do some more packing. All right, bye.
You had me at hello. I've been awake since 3 a.m. 'Cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
Oh my god, my house is empty. What? I've still got to deal with some of this stuff. That's crazy. That's going elsewhere. Kind of empty now.
Once the removal guys had put everything in the truck, I took myself off to London so that I could be there bright and early in the morning so that they could come and move all of my stuff in, and I would be there to be able to maneuver it around. So all of this footage I've actually put in a separate vlog because I wanted to keep this one just for stuff from the old home. So keep an eye out because all of this moving footage is coming up soon. But for now, back to the old house.
Morning. I am currently in my childhood bedroom that I've turned into a pigsty. That's my couch. Looks really good in here, by the way. Perfect. I need to tidy this up. But that's not what we're doing today. Today, I've come back to the island and I've got 3 days to clean and touch up the paint in the house. So I'm going to start doing that today. Hairdryer's broken, so wet hair, please ignore. But yeah, I'm just gonna crack on and see what I can do. I've got that horrible cold that everyone's got. Not COVID, but just like the really nasty cold. So I feel rubbish. Anyway, I'm gonna get cracking and I'll bring you with me to the house. I'm gonna film on my phone today because I'm tired, I'm exhausted. I don't want to set up the camera with the microphone, so hopefully you can still see what I'm doing. I'll see you at the house. There's a bit of an echo in here. Okay, it's like 6 p.m. now. I stopped filming because I wasn't getting anything done when I was filming. But I've just been cleaning and trying to get everything sorted. I've still got stuff to take. Did one load of stuff in the car. Got a lot for the charity shop, but I'm gonna get some Christmas decorations out and store them at my nan's house now. Where are they? In the understairs cupboard. Oh my god. There is no way I have this much Christmas stuff. That's ridiculous. I've got to give some of this away. This is what the kitchen's looking like. It's so sad. Empty. Most of this stuff, minus the shoes and the food and my vacuum cleaners, are charity shop things. Oh, all my towels. I have to take these. I'll definitely try and do a better job of showing you what's going on tomorrow. I've just been feeling really sick today, so right. See you tomorrow. Another day at the house. It's very echoey in here. Last night I managed to declutter the cupboard under the stairs for my nan, and we managed to get all of my Christmas decorations in there. We're gonna go through those when we have a bit more time, maybe in November, and I'm gonna donate most of them and only keep like 2 or 3 boxes. Only. I still have stuff to pack and loads in the kitchen. Here. I've cleaned the oven. I need to do the dishwasher and the white goods. Most of the house is clean, just needs a good vacuum and scrub tomorrow. But today is just getting the last stuff out. Oh my god, I've got skirting board there. Where am I gonna put that? I'm gonna figure it out, but we're getting somewhere. Now all I have to do is pack this, which is food, and then a few more cups that I couldn't manage before I left. And my fridge magnets. Boop. So I've been taking a lot of the nails out of the wall and I've patched it with polyfill and paint. Haven't filled these ones yet. These are massive and oh, it looks really patchy, so I need to do a good job on that one. This wall in the sitting room looks really bad, but I promise once it's painted, it will look much better. And I'm just filling a few holes here, and I'm gonna do in there as well. Okay, so I've touched up the skirting boards here. I still need to clean the sockets and the floor, but it's looking better. I've painted all the patches in here. They're a bit shiny, but they will dry matte. It's definitely looking a lot better. This room is fine. I just need to get rid of that rubbish and take the shade down. In the kitchen, I also did the first coat of some more paint on here as well because it just didn't match this one for some reason, but it's looking better. And I cleaned out the washer and the dryer. Last day of cleaning the house, let's get this done. I didn't film today because I had a little bit of help cleaning, but we did the best we could. Cleaning in here, in the sitting room. This is almost all of the stuff that's gotta go, and a little bit in the kitchen. I got caught in the rain, please excuse my appearance. But I'm at my house one last time, taking a couple of bags of rubbish and some stuff from the garden. And I'm having one last look around, saying goodbye. One last time. I'm in the house. Bye, house. I'll miss you.